our room at the Excellence Punta Cana. Very nice room. Nice big rain head shower. Privacy for the bathroom. We don't need to show you the toilet. Very nice and roomy. Lots of storage. Your robes. Everything you need. You're safe. Check-in was very simple, everyone very polite. Got greeted with a glass of champagne. I opted for a cerveza. I'm going to show you our view. Bear with me. Garden view. Very, very nice, serene, no kids, which is a definite plus. This is our view that we'll have each night. Little look on the downstairs ones. And I'll be up with more videos shortly.